-1 because that's on a straight line.
Sorry.
5 would probably be negative 0.95.
Yeah.
5, you said -0.95? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We said 3 was 0, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then 5, negative 0.6. Sorry, I'm just. All right. Do you want me to read down what we got and then we can double check and make sure it was it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So -95, we got 5. Or is that right? No,
Yeah.
wait. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then -6, we got 3.
Was
I
it
had 6.
No,
was
wait.
that 6?
Sorry. We had 6. Yeah. I wrote the wrong one. Sorry.
Okay.
Don't trust me. Okay. So 1, we got 1. 0, we got 3. 4 or -1, we got 4. And then 0.95, we got 2. Does that sound good
Yes.
to everyone? Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. All right.
Okay.
So for the next 2 questions, take the whatever math self data and compute the correlation. So basically the same thing we just did.
Okay, let's blow your nose, honey.
That's R again, right?
Yeah.
I got 0.728.
Sorry, I'm still
Yay.
doing it. I'm almost done. Sorry.
Okay.
This like the numbers went over, so I have to like delete all the extra numbers. Should just press like reverse. Sorry.
You're good.
We're almost there.
Mm-hmm.
I was just looking. Do you remember anywhere reading that there was a clear-cut number of at what point it's considered strong?
They actually mentioned, I think they mentioned specifically that there is no clear-cut number because it depends on the circumstances of the test.
Okay.
Yeah, the video just kind of shared like when it looks like pretty straight in a line, then it's strong.
If it looks together?
Yeah, like
Okay.
pretty together.
That's what I'm wondering on this one. You'll know when you get the...
Yeah, sorry. I'm almost
Just
there.
wondering, if it's above like 0.5, would it be on the strong end? But if it was 0.5 and below, closer to 0 if it's on the weak end.
I said
That's
we're
true.
judging it by what the graph looked like.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So you got 0.728.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay.
So I was thinking positive and strong, but I don't know how we determine that.
I'm trying to think what they say. I think it would. Hold on, let me rewind on this video because he said it. Maybe that will help us be able to determine.
Did he use this problem? I've watched him, but it was a couple days ago.
Yeah, he said like one that looks similar to that, and he said what it was, but I don't remember what he actually said.
Okay.
So let me pull it up.
When you watch those, can you ever make them bigger than that tiny little box?
Yeah, it was very small when I was watching it, and I just made my screen bigger. I don't think you can make it bigger though. I don't know though. Do you know?
I haven't had any
You
luck.
stretched your screen.
If you what?
If you could stretch your screen is the only thing I could think of.
Yeah, that's true. Like a zoom or something in your screen.
Mm-hmm.
That's true. I didn't think about that. Okay, so he actually said for that one that it is getting strong. So, not super helpful, but I feel like it's getting strong, so we could say that maybe.
I think so.
I wish they had like redo it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting strong. So it's positive strong. I don't know. Do you guys have any other questions with those before we?
No, I was gonna submit and check.
You'll be the victim.
Yep, that was 100%.
Hey!
Yay.
It's always nice. It's short and fast.
Okay, so what kind of preparation do we need to do for Wednesday if we meet after the meeting? Is there anything?
I'm gonna put both those two documents on a Google Doc just so then like when we or like kind of I can share it with you guys just so when we go on we can do it quickly. But I don't think there's really honestly like any prep to be done beforehand. It's just waiting for people to like
Yeah.
And that's just the problem. And we didn't get it until Friday, and so I'm surprised a lot of people did actually like write stuff. But yeah, but because they were like, well, it's it's the weekend and then it's 4th of July, so there won't be a lot of people. So that's why we're waiting until Wednesday to redo it, like to put out the email. But does anyone know our group number?
I'll look.
I don't know it. What if it asked for a group number and I couldn't find it?
I think it's back
way back at the
beginning of the semester. I'll look it up real quick.
That's true. Okay. So for the describe the data, we have to like write like a 2-page paper, basically, like no more than 2 pages, I guess. So you summarize your data in 2 to 3 paragraphs using summary statistics as well as other description useful. So when I went to a study today, he talked about like the difference between like descriptive data and inferential data. So basically we're going to be saying our sample size, our mean, using like the standard deviation and stuff like that. But basically just have to do a write-up for both of them.
Okay.
Sounds pretty terrible, but hopefully it'll be okay.
Yeah.
I know, it's been stressing me out. I'm like, once I found out how much it was weighted, I was like, oh my gosh.
I better be talking to him.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I think just if we make sure we have time, you know, if everyone's willing to stay and get it done on Wednesday, I think we'll be okay.
Okay.
All right, sweet. Well, I will see you guys on Wednesday.
See you on Wednesday. Bye.
Have a good 4th of July.
Oh,
You
you too.
too.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.